Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code B1632 indicates a micro-contact signal error specifically related to the keyless access control unit in Honda CRV models from 2017 to 2022. This error can affect the vehicle's ability to properly engage the electric steering lock mechanism, which is vital for vehicle security and ignition system functioning. The keyless access control unit is primarily responsible for managing various electronic functions, such as locking and unlocking doors when the key fob is within range. This component is usually located near the vehicle's fuse box or integrated within the dashboard area. When this DTC is triggered, it's important to follow a systematic approach for accurate diagnosis, since it could indicate a fault in the wiring, connectors, or the control modules involved in the steering and ignition systems. Proper verification steps must be taken to identify the root cause before conducting any repairs. DTC B1632 pertains to a malfunction signal originating from the MTR CONT line of the keyless access control unit. This unit is crucial for the vehicle's electronic functions, especially in facilitating keyless entry and ignition. The electric steering lock is the mechanism activated by the keyless access control unit that prevents the steering wheel from turning unless the correct key fob is present. This steering lock system is located near the steering column and is electrically operated. The integral role of the keyless access control unit lies in its ability to communicate commands to the steering lock, thus safeguarding the vehicle against unauthorized access. Faults in this system can impede your ability to start the vehicle, making it essential to understand the roles of these components to effectively address the DTC B1632. When troubleshooting DTC B1632, several potential causes must be considered. A shorted wire in the MTR CONT line could result from wear and tear or physical damage, potentially leading to incorrect voltage readings. Next, a malfunction within the electric steering lock itself could also trigger this error. If the internal components have failed, the unit may not operate as intended. Furthermore, a defective body control module can disrupt the communication required for proper operation of the entire keyless system. Each of these causes must be investigated systematically to ascertain the exact origin of the error signal, as it will determine the necessary repairs or component replacements before resolving the DTC. Observing symptoms related to DTC B1632 can provide integral clues for diagnosis. One of the primary signs is the inability to start the vehicle. The electric steering lock may engage improperly, preventing ignition. Additionally, users may experience malfunctioning keyless entry operations where doors do not unlock or lock as intended, signaling possible communication errors within the control units. Another prominent symptom could be a steering lock that remains engaged even when the key fob is present, further complicating vehicle operation. These symptoms suggest a connection between the keyless access control unit and the electrical components linked to the steering system, warranting further investigation through specific troubleshooting procedures. The first step for troubleshooting DTC B1632 is to clear any existing DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This allows you to reset any fault codes that may have been logged in the system. After clearing the codes, you should start the vehicle's engine and then stop it again. This process helps refresh the vehicle's internal monitoring systems. Once completed, it is crucial to check again for any DTCs using the HDS. If DTC B1632 is indicated once more, this means there is likely a persistent issue that requires further diagnostic steps detailed in the repair protocol. If, however, the DTC does not return, it might indicate an intermittent failure, suggesting that the system is functioning correctly at this moment. For the second troubleshooting step, ensure the vehicle is in the off-lock mode. Then, disconnect the body control module connector F, which has 36 pins, and the electric steering lock 12P connector. This disconnection is crucial for isolating the problem, as it prevents electrical interference during the measurements. Next, switch the vehicle to on mode while ensuring the previously mentioned connectors remain disconnected. Now, measure the voltage between the first test point, which is the female terminal number 1 of the electric steering lock 12P connector, and the second test point, which is the body ground. If there is battery voltage present, this indicates a short to power in the MTR CONT line, necessitating repairs. If no voltage is detected, you will need to proceed to the next step of diagnostics. In the third troubleshooting step, turn the vehicle to the off-lock mode again before reconnecting the electric steering lock 12P connector. Then, switch the vehicle to on mode while keeping the body control module connector F still disconnected. Measure the voltage once again, this time between test point 1, which is the female terminal number 1 of the body control module connector F, and test point 2, the body ground. If there is battery voltage, this suggests that the electric steering lock is faulty and needs to be replaced to resolve the DTC B1632. Conversely, if there is no voltage present at this stage, it signals that the body control module itself is defective and requires replacement. Each measurement taken in this step is crucial for accurate diagnosis and subsequent repair. After completing the necessary repairs based on the previous troubleshooting steps, it's essential to perform a final verification. Begin by clearing any DTCs from the system once again using the HDS. This step ensures that any old fault codes do not interfere with the subsequent tests. Then, you should test all functionalities associated with the keyless access control unit. Check if the vehicle can now be started and verify proper operation of the keyless entry system to confirm that both the electric steering lock and the body control module are functioning correctly. If everything operates as expected without triggering DTC B1632, you can conclude that the repairs were successful. Documenting this verification process ensures that future diagnostics can be performed more efficiently. For ongoing vehicle reliability and prevention of DTC B1632 in the future, it's vital to adopt preventive maintenance strategies. Regularly inspecting the wiring associated with the keyless access control unit can help identify any fraying or damage before it leads to serious issues. Additionally, routine checks of connectors are essential. Ensuring they are clean and secure can prevent intermittent faults, which are often harder to diagnose. Another preventative action includes performing software updates for the vehicle's electronic systems, as manufacturers often release updates that enhance performance and address known issues. Implementing these preventive measures can greatly reduce the risk of encountering electrical faults like DTC B1632 down the line. In summary, diagnosing and repairing DTC B1632 requires a thorough understanding of the components involved, particularly the keyless access control unit and its relationship with the electric steering lock and body control module. By following a systematic approach, which includes clearing DTCs, disconnecting connectors for testing, and verifying voltage levels at crucial points, technicians can pinpoint the exact source of the error. This methodical troubleshooting not only resolves the immediate issue, but also lays the foundation for effective preventive maintenance practices. By being proactive in wiring inspections, connector checks, and software updates, you can mitigate potential future problems associated with DTC B1632, ensuring long-term vehicle reliability and performance. please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.